Hello, lovely people. So yeah, it's storm day. About to show you what is happening outside. It's pretty intense. Storm day, hurricane day, whatever. Yeah. So we're just chilling. We still have power, so we can watch TV, which is good. And the cat is running scared in the other room.
He's not a cat, he's a chicken.
Yeah, he is kind of a chicken. I tried to get him to get some food, and he's just not having it. He's like, nope, nope, you people are stupid. I am staying in here. Forget it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh, Uncle Don's garage door is halfway up.
Uh-oh. Maybe he's checking the drain?
Possibly. Hey, you okay? Definitely a difference from yesterday.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, I guess our bike cover didn't work, did it? Whoa, look at the tree! I don't know what happened to our cover, but it's definitely gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little pieces of our balcony are missing too. Cool.
Wow. I don't think I've ever seen something like that.
This is crazy. Hello, you made it.
Where is it? Oh, did you get that on video?
Yes, I did.
You alright? Everything's cool?
Is it full?
Yeah, it's totally fine.
Whoa.
Just waiting for the next hit.
The first guy, if we engage what they're serving, the guy comes and then they finish excavating over here, bring the machine over here. He's going to cut a trench from here to that one, and then we wouldn't have had this today. Because what happened, the overflow goes over there. So before this can get full, it drains into that one. And if we were there, you told me, oh, we're going to come and change.
Yeah, yeah, that's the question. How much does this one have? Well, this one's alright.
Hey, huge.
That's a lot of water. So this is the construction zone of the TB and Cancer building. And it is quite full of water.
You better get some pumps.
Don't think they were expecting that. There's a few guys down there with hard hats on. Well, these lines are down. That one's coconuts, yeah. Yeah, I got coconuts and got avocados and plenty. Coconuts and avocados. Few lines down here and there, and plenty of coconuts. So we're just gonna gather some coconuts. Pick a good one. It's like eerily quiet out
Yeah,
now.
it's so creepy.
Yeah.
White's mess.
That tree over there cracked in half.
Yeah.
Can you hear the tree frogs? Alrighty people, I'm gonna leave you all here. Hope you've enjoyed this itty bitty little vlog. Not too much, I know, but yeah, that's all we're doing. Watching TV, hanging out, chilling, and waiting for this to pass over. See you later. Bye!